Today, we are stepping into the underbelly of SEO, the part most website owners don't want to look at until something suddenly feels off. For me, the moment arrived when SEMrush quietly tagged my site with suspicious in the backlink audit report. That word sits in your dashboard like a blinking warning light on a dashboard you're driving fine, but you feel something underneath. So I ran the full backlink audit, and in this video I'll show you how to configure it, how to interpret it, and how the single report can solve one of the biggest SEO pain points website owners face. Section 1. The hidden pain point in SEO. Here's the uncomfortable truth. SEO doesn't break suddenly, it leaks. And one of the biggest leaks happens through toxic backlinks, the kind that silently damage your authority, confuse Google, and leave your rankings wobbling. Most website owners keep tweaking content, keywords, page speed, but the real reason traffic drops is often coming from something they never monitor. Shady domains linking to you, spam sites copying your URLs, suddenly lost backlinks, linked networks pulling your domain into their mess. The backlink audit is like an inspection lab. It shows what's attached to your domain, both good and bad. So let's jump into the setup. Section 2. Configuring SEMrush Backlink Audit. Before we jump into the SEM Backlink Audit setup, there's one thing I want to share quickly. When I first started fixing my own SEO issues, especially when I was trying to understand why my site got that suspicious tag, I realized I need something simple to refer to alongside these tools. So apart from using SEMrush, I also leaned on a really practical resource, a 100 SEO tips ebook. It's not mine, but it helped me keep track of small SEO habits and fixes that don't always show up inside dashboards. I'll leave it in the description as an optional companion guide. Now let's start configuring the backlink audit step by step. Step 1. Open Backlink Audit. From the left sidebar in SEMrush, go to the link building Backlink Audit. You will see a dashboard waiting for your domain configuration. Step 2. Set up your project. Click Setup, enter your domain, use the root domain, not subpage. Select your target country if applicable. Hit Start Backlink Audit. SEMrush now pulls all known backlinks from its huge database. Step 3. Connect Google Search Console. This is crucial. You will see an option to connect GSC. Do it. This syncs SEMrush data with Google's real crawl data, making your audit more accurate and complete. Step 4. Connect Google Analytics. Optional but helpful. This isn't mandatory, but it improves understanding of traffic tied to backlinks. Step 5. Configure the toxicity settings. SEMrush uses a proprietary toxic score. Before you run the audit, adjust brand name variations, allowed countries, link types you want to ignore. This improves the precision of your suspicious link detection. Step 6. Run the backlink audit. Click Run Audit and let SEMrush scan your domain. You will see total backlinks, referring domains, toxic score distribution, suspicious domains, lost and found backlinks, anchor text patterns. Section 3. Identifying the problem. When I ran my audit, the shocker wasn't the number of backlinks. It was the suspicious domain tag on my profile. This report revealed domains that didn't match my niche, irrelevant directories, sites with zero organic presence, a spike in low quality links that happened at once, a list of backlinks flagged by SEMrush, risk patterns. This solved a key pain point. I finally understood that my SEO wasn't dropping because of content or keywords, it was because my website was being linked from questionable digital neighborhoods. Section 4. Fixing it using the backlink audit tools. First, review toxic and suspicious domains. Go to the Audit tab, filter by Toxic, Potentially Toxic, Suspicious. Click each domain to see why SEMrush marked it. Anchor text, link placement, toxicity score. Second, choose what to do, keep, remove or disavow. Inside each link record, SEMrush gives options. Whitelist if it's falsely flagged. To remove, you reach out to webmasters. To disavow, export a file for Google. Third, build the disavow file. SEMrush automatically creates the .txt file in Google's required format. Fourth, upload to Google Disavow tool. Inside Search Console, upload the disavow list. This tells Google these links are not mine and I don't want them counted. This is exactly how I started working to get the suspicious tag removed from my profile. Section 5. Monitoring until the tag gets removed. The backlink audit isn't a one-shot fix. Once you upload your disavow file, SEMrush continues monitoring your link profile. Every few days, check the toxic score, suspicious domain, lost and found tab, newly acquired links. When the quality stabilizes, the suspicious tag disappears, like a bruise fading once the cause is removed. If you're serious about SEO, this is one of the few tools that lets you understand not just what's happening, but why it's happening. Run your audit today and you'll see parts of your SEO health that were hidden until now. And if you want that simple SEO checklist I mentioned earlier, the 100 SEO tips ebook, the link is in the description. No pressure, just something that helped me stay consistent while I figured things out. If you want more walkthrough like this, tap the like button and I'll keep breaking SEO down into real usable steps. Thank you for watching.